This is the Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro 2023 model. I have installed protection accessories like GV engine crash bar, front and rear wheel axle sliders, frame sliders. Join me in this video as I install this headlight protector. This is my Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro 2023 year model. I recently installed front wheel axle sliders. I installed the GV TN6415 engine crash bar. I think it's a great crash bar. I also installed frame sliders, one on the right hand side where the exhaust silencer mount is, one on the left hand side where the hand grab rail is. I installed rear wheel axle slider, and I also installed the rear wheel mud guard. I want to stop the splash getting to the underside of the rear wheel fender. I've also installed Buckbuster protection handguard. They are an Australian product, and as you can see, it is very robust with a thick aluminium bar that goes all around and clamps to the handlebar. If you'd like to see my review and installation videos, have a look in my video description below. The headlight protector was delivered in this box carton, and that's pretty decent. Inside, it came in a bubble wrap, and there is the Perspex headlight protector. I chose this form of clear Perspex headlight protector over the other type, which was the plastic grit, only because I did not want the headlight luminance reduced by the grit. There is a packet of mounting fixings comprising two metal brackets, one to hold each side of the protector frame, a packet of screws, nut, and also two black plastic spacers. Let me unpack the items. The headlight protector will mount like this with this aluminium bracket screwed into this screw. So I will need to remove this on the left hand side and the right hand side. I will need a Torx T30 driver to remove that screw. This screw doesn't hold the headlight assembly. All it does is hold this plastic trim. You can see from the thread of the screw that there's pink thread locker applied. So when I replace the screw, I will also use light duty thread locker. These are the screws supplied with the headlight protector. There's two of them on each side to hold the frame to the Perspex screen. What I'll do is apply light duty thread locker to these screws as well. Do not over apply, because otherwise when you do want to take them out, they may not come out and I'll end up destroying the head of the screw. That will do, just a tiny bit. And there are nylock nuts supplied, just temporarily holding the screw and mounting bracket to the Perspex screen. You can see that the hole is very big and the nut is just barely bigger than the diameter of the hole. So what I will do is I will use my own stainless steel flat washer that size before I apply the nut. I will use some thread locker from Dynagrip. This is the low strength version. Put that through the hole. Next, put my stainless steel washer in. Put the nylock nut in. 2.5mm Allen key on the front, 7mm socket wrench on the rear, and tighten. Not too tight, otherwise the Perspex plastic will crack. Holding the headlight protector upright, the arm is correctly placed when the near horizontal arm is on the top and the sloping arm is on the bottom, and the bracket is behind the screen. I've now fixed the left and right brackets to the headlight protector. Now it's time to use the Torx T30 driver to remove this screw on the right hand side. Looking at the screw thread, you see that there is thread locker applied to the thread. So when you use a replacement screw, I will need to apply thread locker as well. Before I install the headlight protector, I'll give it a wipe, because once installed, I will not be able to wipe the inside. That will do. This is the replacement screw that is supplied with the headlight protector. I have applied some low strength thread locker. The plastic spacer goes inside first and then the screw on the outside. Just hand tighten only to secure the bracket there. May have to adjust this plastic a little bit so that the holes are aligned. For the screw, I'll need a 4mm Allen key. There, that holds it roughly in position. Now to fix the left hand side bracket, first of all I apply low strength thread locker to the screw. Put the spacer in first. Get the bracket aligned. Then insert the screw and roughly jiggle the screws so that the holes are aligned. 4mm Allen key and it's tightening in. Now you can obviously rotate this up or down. So just looking at it, I think I'll have it in that position. The Tiger 900 GT Pro service manual says that the tightening torque for this is 3 Newton meters, which is very light. This is what the screen protector looks like from the front. That looks pretty decent and it'll do the job. Looks like if I have to, I might be able to get my fingers in there to wipe. Now if you want to see more videos of installation of other protection gear for this Tiger 900, have a look in the video description. I do hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.